Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we will learn about the formatting and design. Now, let's go to the insert and insert the shape, a rounded shape. Now, you need to go to the gradient form and adjust the colors from purple, light blue to blue as per the requirements, and also adjust the position of the points. To make it more beautiful and attractive. You also need to adjust the position of the yellow point of the shape so it can be adjusted. Now you need to insert the line. You need to adjust it in the middle of the shape and adjust the size of the line. You need to color it white so we can show the wording up and down side of this line. Now go to the edit text mode of the shape. Here you can type the dashboard of the sales department and adjust the size accordingly. Now we can go to the next chart of the annual sales trend align chart, and also need to fill the gradient color here and adjust the font colors to white and gray. The line color will be selected to gray and adjusted the width and dash type. From the blue positions, we also choose the arrow types and line types. The starting point of the arrow and the end point of the arrow. Smooth line option will be checked so it looks a clear smooth way so the line can be streamlined. You can also adjust the gradient colors and fill as per your requirements of the design and color scheme. You can also adjust the gradient lines and position them as per your design requirements. Adjust the background of the chart and the front area of the chart so as it should look a wider area. Now move on to the next section where we need to create the donut chart in the fragmented shape. So we have to show some area that is just in the light color and the other in the dark mode. Adjust one area in the light shape and the other one is the dark area by going into the shape fill. Now you need to write the name of the state. Adjust the sizes of the shapes. Now we need to go to the data and go to the series and just add a series, and you have to add up to 20 values of 1 into the series. You just need to type 1, comma 1 and just go on. And click OK. And just go to the shape fill and select no fill for the new added chart value. And then go to the combo chart and then select the one option as the line option. You just want to go to the back end and then go to review, so everything should be as per our requirements. Now you can see it look like exactly the same as this, but there is something we need to do more. We just need to narrow down the hollow area of the donut chart. So we would go to the format data series option and then go to the donut hole size and adjust it up to 50. This should be done for both of the primary donut chart and the secondary donut chart. Now you can see it is adjusted now. Now you can set the percentage by using the formula of dividing the sales by the target sales value and calculate the percentage. Go to the insert text and adjust the text in center of the donut chart hole. Go to this formula bar, press equal sign and then go to the value and just click the relevant percentage and click OK. Now you can see here the value. Adjust the size of the text area so the whole text can be shown appropriately. Now adjust the size of the text. Select shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Now you can format the font, its size and color. You can adjust the color as blue, just as this shape of the donut chart. Apply the similar process to the every chart. You can use the first insert text by copying and pasting the value. Now you can see that we have done the formatting of the donut chart and we have learned how to create this segmented donut chart to show the performance of the states. This can be used to show the performance of any of the department or other areas as per your own requirements. Now we need to fill up this donut charts and we can go to the fill and gradient fill option and choose the colors to dark blue and light blue and adjust the positions of the colors. You can adjust the colors of the text as per the scheme. Now we need to add up this insert text box with the gradient fill at top of the donut charts so as we can give an appropriate heading of the charts. Now you can adjust the size and position of the charts. Now we can go to the format and align these charts at the bottom point. And adjust the size of the charts. Now we can apply the same process on other donut chart to show the total performance of the sales department and the relevant share of each state towards the sales. You can use the call points so as to show the values. Now up to this area we can see that these charts are dynamic in nature. We can use the slicers and make the values dynamic. Now let's move on to the next step. You can use the data labels to show the values. From data column option, to select the state and the value, you can go to the more options and select category name and the percentage, and now you can also show the leader line so as to point out this main section. The similar process can be applied towards the account manager's sales comparison chart. You can format the text either to white or gray. You can remove the lines of the charts. You need to fill the colors of the bars and also need to show the values. This can be done through selecting the data bars and then going to the fill option and select the appropriate light blue color. Now you can go to the add element of the chart and just select the option of inside, outside, or whatever option you want to choose. In this case we have chosen the inside base option for the chart. Now you need to choose this option through label options and go to the text options, and here you can format the text and category. We have chosen the category as the numbers and removing the decimal places and setting it up to 0. You can format the fonts as white. Now you can also reduce the gap width. Now you can see a beautiful bar chart is in front of you, which is dynamic. Now you can adjust the size of the bar charts so the picture should look clear. You should always look on the charts and shapes so as to adjust and align them, so as the dashboard should be beautiful and more aligned. And now you can format the slices by clicking on the slicer and go to the option and select the slicer's color. You can modify it. We have modified it in this form that whole slicer color is formatted to the fill option. We went into the fill option. In the gradient form, the first color is dark blue and the other one is light blue. So whole slicer is selected in this form. Then you need to select the unselect item data and the select item data, and you can go to the fill and select the light blue color. Now this option is available for us. Now you can see if we select some data color through the slicer, the options are available and it's formatted differently and it's aligned in formatting with our dashboard. Now this is the last option. We need to create this bar chart. For this, we need to select this pivot table and copy and paste on the other side, and just need to select some options as per our requirements. Go to the field list and remove the order date and just go to the years and the value only. Now you have a different pivot table which is ready for this column chart. You can also select the state as well in the row form, and now you can select at any of the point of the pivot table, and then you can go to the insert column chart as per your options, but here we will select the chart a 3D cluster chart or a simple cluster chart. For this purpose, we have actually set the states towards the legend series, years on the axis size, and values are summed up. You need to remove the filtered options and the series values on the vertical side. Remove the lines. And we just need to copy this chart at our dashboard. Now we have our last chart available in this position, and we just need to align it and format this chart as per our dashboard requirements of the design and color scheme. We have removed both of the legend x-axis and y-axis values. Now adjust the size of this column chart. Now you need to fill up the colors as per the color scheme. Just go to the design you can use the data labels or any other options available and format through the add chart elements. Here we will add now we have added the data labels with the center option. We are just using this for the presentation purpose, so we are removing all of the values and we want to show the year on this area. So we are selecting to the data value and we have selected the category value and remove the value and other options. Set the value of the year at the inside end. Now we need to format it so as to look like this. For this option you can go to the alignment of the value and rotate it as per your requirements. Now you can see we have aligned it and rotated it at the 90 degree. We can fill this shape through fill shape color and font is given the color of white or gray. Now you can adjust the data point. You can go to the format and go to the shape fill option. And then go to the gradient shape fill option. And select the gradient fill. remove the extra data points. Only 2 gradient stops will be used to fill up this color. Now you can subscribe my channel. Hope so you have enjoyed this video. We are sharing this file to every person who is sharing his email address or sending his email while subscribing at the given below email address of the page@gmail.com. Thank you.